JV's tutorial classes. Today we are going to write a program to generate a Fibonacci series. So before starting the program, we should know what is a Fibonacci series. A Fibonacci series is a series where we will first find out the number of terms we needed. Okay, then we will take two values to the first term and the second term. So initially 0 and 1. Then we will add up these two variables to get the third variable. Okay, and similarly the first and the second variable will become the second and the third variable. That is, this is the first variable, now this is the second variable. Now we will add up these two numbers to get the fourth variable. We will add up these two numbers to get the this value. We will add up these numbers to get 5. We will add 3 and 5 to get 8. We will add up 5 and 8 to get 13. We will add up 8 and 13 to get 21. And we will add up 13 and 21 to get 34. In this way, we have to generate a series. Here in this term, we have generated on 10 terms. That is number of terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To 10 terms we have generated. So how can we do this program? Let's check it. So for that, open up the notepad. Within the notepad, we will use the scanner class to take the input. So I will write import java dot util dot star. Why we are writing util dot star? Because the scanner class belong to this particular package, public class. So I'm writing a demo fibo series. So I'm writing demo fibo series, the class name. Then I'm writing the main function, public static void main, then string args. Within that main function we will write something. I will close the curly bracket. Here we will go to the main function. In this main function, what I am taking three variables, int a comma b comma c. The a and b will be the first and the second terms, and c the result. Thus addition of a plus b will be stored in third variable, and I will take in the fourth variable n to collect the number of terms in the series. So since we are using the scanner class, we are creating an object scanner sc is equal to, we are naming the object as sc new scanner system.in. Then after that we will give a print statement, that is system out dot println. Enter the number of terms. Enter interactive input. For interactive input, we are writing this statement: enter the number of terms in the series, and the value of this particular term will be stored in variable n. So I will write n is equal to sc dot next int. Why I am writing next int? Because it is an integer variable. We will call the method next int for integer variable. After generating this one, we will write a little for loop. Where for loop, we will start it from a variable I is equal to 1. I will take up it to n, I less than equal to n, and increment it I plus plus. Okay, incremented by 1. That means all the terms until and unless the number of times will be exhausted. Okay, then what we will print a statement, system dot out dot print. I will write print here, and I will print the value of a. Okay, after that I will put a comma, put a space. Okay, then closing this bracket. Okay, now here we got the values of a. That means the first value will be printed one by one value will be printed. Now what we will take the third variable c, and it will be the addition of a plus of b. That means the summation of a plus of b will be stored in c. Now the value of a will be changed. Now a will become the b, and b will become the c. Okay, so this much is to generate the series. Let's check now. Lastly we have to write one statement. Let's write this statement here. The number of terms, here you can write a print statement. That will be better. So copy this line, paste it here. Simply write the number of the Fibonacci series, Fibonacci series of n terms. Now so n terms I will write plus n n terms is, then after that the series will be generated. Whatever the series is, it will be generated. Fine. So now save the program by using this class name demo fibo series. Demo fibo series dot java. Save it. Okay, then open the command prompt cmd, go to the folder where you have saved it. I have saved in b drive java programs. Then we will write java c for compilation, and the file name is demo fibo series. So I have compiled it. So one error is showing here. What is that? Variable a mass might not has been initialized, so we have to take the first variable to be 0 and second variable to be 1. Fine, because the first and the second term are 0 and 1s. Now compile this. Okay, now compilation, there is no error. Now run the program. Okay, after running the program, it is asking the number of terms in the series. I need the number of terms in the series, so I am writing here 10. I want 10 terms in the series. So this is the term. The Fibonacci series of 10 term is, so the term are 0 1 1 2 3 5 8 13 21 and 34. This is the Fibonacci series we have generated by using our Java program. So with this, I have also done the same program in this slide also. You can go through this particular program. Okay, and for compilation statement, you have to write java c then file name dot java, and for running the program, simply write java then the file name without extension, and it will ask for the number of terms. You will enter the number of terms you need it. You can rename it anything. I have given here 10, and the series will be generated. So this is the end of the program. If you like the program, then you can like, share and subscribe the channel.